Welcome to an unforgettable journey through the stunning Jeju Island in South Korea. Join us as we embark on a captivating walk, unveiling the hidden gems from the airport to the beaches, stores, and delectable food. Get ready to be mesmerized by the beauty of this unique destination. You can check the bottom left for the area titles, or just skip to the relevant chapters on the video to watch the selected area. Each chapter has its own descriptive narration, so you can easily find more details about the area. If you have any questions, just post them in the comments section and give us some time to reply. Let's start then. Step into your Jeju adventure at the iconic Jeju International Airport. This gateway to paradise welcomes you with a seamless fusion of modern comfort and traditional Korean design, igniting the excitement of your escapade. With millions arriving annually, its history and island spirit-infused design invite exploration. Immerse yourself in the cultural allure as you journey through Jeju's breathtaking landscapes from this vibrant hub. Welcome to the captivating Hamdeok Beach, a coastal gem on Jeju Island's northern shore that beckons with crystalline waters and soft sandy shores. This oasis of tranquility is a beloved haven for both locals and tourists, and as you step onto its shores, you'll immediately understand why. You'll be entranced by the symphony of nature's elements that unfold before you. The mesmerizing landscapes and vibrant atmosphere envelop you in a sense of serenity, offering the perfect setting to unwind and explore. Hamdeok Beach, with its unique crescent shape, creates an intimate and protective embrace that sets it apart. This distinctive curvature not only enhances its visual allure but also fosters a feeling of seclusion, making it a cherished sanctuary away from the world's hustle and bustle. Venture beyond the surface beauty and dive into an underwater wonderland. Equipped with snorkeling gear, you'll discover coral reefs teeming with a kaleidoscope of marine life, granting you a glimpse into the island's diverse ecosystem and the secrets beneath the waves. Hamdeok is also a canvas for various beach activities. Whether you're seeking moments of peaceful reflection by the water's edge, practicing beachside yoga to the gentle sounds of the sea, or joyfully constructing sandcastles with your loved ones, the beach offers a haven for every kind of beachgoer. Hamdeok Beach isn't just a destination, it's an immersive experience that beckons you to embrace the island's natural marvels and find solace within its embrace. Whether you're basking in the sun's warmth, uncovering the mysteries of underwater worlds, or simply reveling in the breathtaking sunset, Hamdeok Beach stands as a timeless escape, inviting you to embark on an unforgettable journey through Jeju's captivating landscapes. As we continue our journey, we stumble upon the charming Geumneung Beach. Discover the unique rock formations that add a touch of mystery to the coastline. Take in the breathtaking views and feel the soothing ocean breeze as it embraces your senses. Let's set our sights on the captivating Hyeopjae Beach, a true gem nestled on the western coast of Jeju Island. With its inviting emerald waters and shimmering white sands, this beach offers an enchanting escape that beckons travelers and nature enthusiasts alike. As you step onto Hyeopjae's shores, you'll be greeted by a panorama of natural beauty that's second to none. The combination of the azure sea and the pristine sands creates a breathtaking contrast that's both soothing and invigorating. It's no wonder that this beach has earned its reputation as a must-visit destination. Beyond its picturesque appearance, Hyeopjae Beach is also a hub of biodiversity. The surrounding ecosystem is teeming with life, and the diverse marine species that call these waters home provide a captivating glimpse into Jeju's rich natural heritage. Whether you're taking a leisurely stroll along the shoreline, building sandcastles with loved ones, or simply soaking up the sun's warm embrace, Hyeopjae offers an idyllic setting for relaxation and recreation. The gentle lapping of the waves and the cool sea breeze create an atmosphere of serenity that washes away the stresses of everyday life. As the day transitions into the evening, don't miss the chance to witness a Hyeopjae sunset. The sun's descent paints the sky in a palette of warm hues, casting a golden glow over the beach and leaving you in awe of nature's artistry. Hyeopjae Beach isn't just a beach. It's an invitation to connect with nature and find solace in its beauty. Whether you're immersing yourself in the calming waters, exploring the coastal wonders, or simply unwinding on the sands, this beach promises an unforgettable experience that captures the essence of Jeju's tranquil charm. Immerse yourself in the vibrant atmosphere of Jeju City. Experience the blend of modern urban living with a touch of traditional Korean culture. From bustling markets to quaint alleys, the city offers a delightful contrast to the island's natural beauty. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds at the vibrant Dongmun food market, a culinary haven in the heart of Jeju Island. This bustling market is a treasure trove of flavors, where traditional Korean cuisine meets modern gastronomic delights, creating an unforgettable feast for the senses. From the moment you step into Dongmun food market, the aroma of sizzling dishes and the colorful array of stalls will awaken your appetite. The market pulses with energy as locals and visitors converge to indulge in a culinary adventure that reflects the island's rich heritage. Wander through the maze of stalls, each offering a unique culinary experience. Immerse yourself in the captivating sights and sounds as vendors skillfully prepare their specialties. From savory seafood to mouth-watering street food, Dongmun Market boasts an extensive variety that caters to every palate. Don't miss the opportunity to sample Jeju's iconic black pork, a delicacy that has become synonymous with the island's cuisine. As you explore the market's nooks and crannies, you'll also discover local produce, spices, and ingredients that reflect the island's agricultural bounty. Engage with friendly vendors and learn about the significance of these ingredients in Jeju's traditional dishes. Beyond the delectable offerings, Dongmun Food Market is a cultural crossroads where food is a vehicle for storytelling. Each dish carries a piece of Jeju's history and culture, connecting you with the island's past while you savor its present flavors. The market isn't just about food, it's a vibrant tapestry of experiences. From the laughter of vendors engaging with customers to the symphony of sizzling pans, every moment at Dongmun Food Market is a sensory journey. Indulge in the rich tapestry of flavors, embrace the convivial atmosphere, and create lasting memories as you navigate this culinary wonderland. Dongmun Food Market isn't just a place to eat, it's a celebration of Jeju's culinary heritage, inviting you to savor every bite and immerse yourself in the island's vibrant food culture. Prepare to delight in Jeju's culinary treasure on Black Pork Street, a culinary hub known for its exquisite flavors. This charming street is a gastronomic haven where the island's famed black pork takes center stage. Succulent, marbled, and rich in taste, the black pork is a testament to Jeju's unique culinary identity. Watch as skilled chefs expertly prepare and grill this delicacy, infusing it with flavors that embody the island's essence. Black Pork Street isn't just a dining destination. It's a journey into Jeju's culinary heritage, where every bite is a celebration of the island's distinct flavors and traditions. Discover the eclectic array of stores that Jeju has to offer. From traditional handicrafts to modern fashion, find the perfect souvenir to commemorate your island adventure. Join us as we explore the shopping scene that caters to every taste. Take a leisurely stroll through the charming streets of Jeju. Experience the local way of life and immerse yourself in the captivating surroundings. Summers, June to August, are warm and humid, with temperatures ranging from 25 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius. Winters, December to February, are relatively mild, with temperatures averaging around 3 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius. Spring and autumn bring pleasant temperatures and are considered ideal times to visit, with temperatures ranging from 10 degrees Celsius to 20 degrees Celsius. Our journey concludes at the Jungang Underground Shopping Center, a vibrant hub of activity. Reflect on the incredible experiences as we recap the highlights of this remarkable adventure. From beaches to city life, Jeju Island has left an indelible mark on our hearts. It takes detailed planning and a long time to shoot, edit, and create this content. If our videos help you in your travels, please remember to like, subscribe, turn the notification bell on, and keep on watching them. It will help us grow Bestravelvideo and constantly evolve, providing you with even better content.